Back with a Land Cruiser this morning, 9 o'clock on a Friday morning. This project's killing me. It's been undergoing for over 15 months now. It's just hard to get the people in to do the work. What we're doing today, so this week we had the brake booster fitted, and that's all working fine. And today I found a company that will check all my wiring for me, because it's all over the shop. Needs a good tidy up. As you can see, not really impressed because this car park has lots of chickens in the corner, and I think they've been leaving the doors open and the chickens have been jumping into my car and shitting all over my seats. Looking at that, and these are all new seats, so not very happy. As soon as the wiring is done, we can finish the flooring and touch up all the interior painting, and then hopefully the next couple of weeks I'll find somebody to spray the car. Unfortunately for me, I bought all the spray paint because they do spraying here, and agreed a really good price for the respray with the mechanic that lives on site in this car park. But unfortunately he's had an argument with a landowner and left, taking my paint with him and ignoring us. So I've lost about £130 worth of spray paint, 10,000 pesos here, and he had agreed to do the whole respray for, well, he lives here, he's got nothing to do other than keep security on the cars. So any work he gets here's a bonus for him. He'd agreed to do the whole respray on the outside for 15,000 pesos, which is so cheap. The next best quote to take it to somewhere to get sprayed is around 40 to 45,000 peso. So problem I had is when I spray matte black or gloss black and matte black, a combination of the two. I wanted as a final touch to do some promotional videos when it's ready for resale, and maybe offer a free wrap of the owner's choice to make it really personal. But if it's going to cost me 40,000 peso to get it sprayed, I'll probably just have to leave it at that. Anyway, today I find out about the wiring. Let's hope it doesn't need too much tidying up and everything's working properly. Now the brake booster's done, I should be able to actually literally drive the car away whenever I want, and then take it to wherever it needs to go next for whatever it needs to get done. So anyway, speak to you all soon. Take care.